Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show you the way how to hide likes on Instagram application. So most of us probably concerned about the likes amount that we earn from posting the video, or how many likes that people earn from their posting video, but some of us also doesn't care at all about the likes features. So for you who doesn't care about the like features, probably this tutorial is for you. So to hide likes, you just need to go visit your profile, and right after that you just need to take a look on the top right corner. There will be three straight lines there. Go click them. Now you just need to visit your settings and privacy, and to hide the likes you just need to scrolling down until you find what you see. And this what you see section on the last rows, there will be a like and a share count, so you just need to click them. To hide the likes, activate this button, and after that you will not gonna see the number of likes on post or list or reels from other accounts. So yeah, that is the way guys how to hide likes. So hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will like to see you again for the next tutorial.